the Will It Slime Challenge, and I'm here with Brady again. I got his name right. I got that money. Yeah, money to buy a house. No.
So let's get into the video.
I wish I did.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with lotion.
I get to go first. Lotion?
Guys, they
I like the
spilled
lotion.
they spilled candy, but that's in the video. But I'm just giving that away. That candy's in the video. That's
Yeah,
next.
and Eva ate some earlier when we were trying. It was not good because
That's
I
why,
didn't touch that.
guys, we literally redid the whole video. So they already know what's gonna happen, but they don't know 2 of the ingredients.
It's not working.
Oh, come on, just try,
There's
man.
nothing in it.
Yeah, there is. It worked for me, and it'll work for you. Ready? Watch.
Will
Watch. Ready? Let's see.
Here, I'll carry it.
No, I got this, man. I totally see everything. Yeah, what's that?
we're good.
What's
we're
that?
good.
What's that?
All right. Oh my god, it feels so weird because it gets so liquidy.
My parents are gonna kill me.
No, they're not.
Look at this carpet, guys. Okay.
It's already messy enough.
Keep going.
I mean, am I right?
No.
It's already messy enough.
This lighting is great.
Yeah, I know.
Just keep mixing.
It's like dark in her room, and then like the light comes in. That's dope, dude. It's dope. Wait, I thought you were dope. I am dope. Are you?
What's
I'm
going
so
on,
dope. I thought
Parky?
you were savage. I'm savage.
Apple
I'm dope.
bottom jeans boots with the fur.
Okay, guys, that's what happens. And watch, it gets so stretchy
Okay.
when you add the lotion.
Okay.
That's what makes it stretchy.
Okay.
Let's put it back.
Oh God. Okay. Okay. Next thing.
Next thing, you get to do the next thing. Yeah, I do. What do you want to pick? How about we get to pick? He gets to pick. Let's do the marble thing. The chocolate things. Yeah, right here. Okay.
Oh God. I can't even get the slime out. You get the slime.
Give me a slime.
Nah. Dude, stop cursing. I was gonna say stop cursing. Nah, you're just being weird.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll put that in that there.
Guys, just so you know, I'll tell you what. Don't tell them what happens. Don't tell them what happens. But it looks so cool.
Okay, dude, take all the marbles in there, even the ones on the sides, even the popcorn.
Even the popcorn?
Popcorn's next, guys.
I get to pick.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do
You,
you pick?
you can't pick this.
See, like it's
or
changing
this.
colors. Look, guys.
Oh, you can pick this.
It's
but you
changing
can't pick
colors. Yeah, look.
that. Ew.
It's like changing colors.
That's gross. Get the
It's
balls
so
out of there so we can
weird.
put it back into the container.
We can with the balls.
No, we can't. It'll make it look gross. Okay, put it back in the container. Oh my God. Take another piece of slime.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna pick a marker. A
Marker.
scented marker. It's so hopefully it's here. Let's tip this. Tip, 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 tip.
All this stuff
Okay.
I get to, and you get to just like dab it in. You get to just dab it.
Or color the whole thing. I don't care. Boy, this marker's like 10 years old. Boy, you need some milk.
Dude, you're only like 12, right?
No, I'm 11, man.
So you were 1 when you got this.
Yes.
And who had it first? Your
Me.
sister.
Me.
Isa. Alright, gush it up! Yeah, let's do this. I want to see. I feel like it's like turning green. Kind of. Yeah, it's turning green.
Sorry, I was distracted.
Oh, it smells so good. And just see. Smell it.
Guys, you want to smell, guys?
No, smell it. Smell
smell
it.
it.
No, seriously, smell it. Have you tried
Let me
it?
smell it.
You have to smell it. It's
Oh,
so
it
good.
smells like mint.
I know.
Yeah. And borax.
Oh, just so you know, guys.
Yeah, minty
Guys, just so
borax.
you know. Guys, just so you know, the next thing's popcorn.
Yeah, boil it up.
Let's boil it up.
Yeah, it's like it's turning green.
I know, it's like turning
Parker, put it up here. I can see.
It's turning green.
Okay,
A
that's
little
good.
bit. You
So
can't really see
look
it
at that
much.
bubble, though. Okay, put it back in the container. On to the
another
next.
piece.
On to-
Popcorn time!
Popcorn.
Dude, only get a little. We only have a little popcorn left.
Yeah.
Get a tiny bit.
Like a tiny bit of popcorn.
No, tiny bit of slime. Tiny bit of slime. There you go. That's enough. And I just dumped the whole thing in there, and they're mixing it. And they said last time that this feels like crunchy slime.
I know it is.
It is.